Well, this is the last day that the pool is going to look like this. I just got an email a little while ago saying that my pool is scheduled for the second appointment to get the Pebble Sheen put on. So they will be here around noon, 12:30, around there maybe, and to get ready for them. So I've been getting ready. I like to come out here in the morning and have my coffee and a pastry. So yeah, I got these chairs yesterday, put them together, which was very easy. So I'm gonna clear out this a little bit so that they can get their equipment in. Hopefully I won't have to move too much stuff. The bulk trash comes next month, so I can get rid of a lot of this stuff. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice. It's gonna be nice when it's done. All the mosaics are in. I've been going around there every other day cleaning them and getting the air blower and the vacuuming all the dust and leaves out of it so it's ready. I went and borrowed my son-in-law's masonry grinder, and the mortar along the tiles, it was like a lot of overspill and looked bad, and I was kind of worried that there wasn't going to be enough thickness on the Pebble Sheen coating by the tiles, and it might be real thin and chip off maybe, so I ground all the mortar off. I don't know if they do it. They might do it before they start it, but I didn't want to take no chances. So I just I took a lot of it off. So it looks a lot better. So yeah, it should be ready for them. Just give it a quick air blow this morning and vacuum it, and just sit back, relax, wait for them to show up.
6.5 hours later.
Well, as you can see, there is no Pebble Sheen coating on the pool. I got an email from Dolphin Pools saying that the contractor's Pebble Sheen mixing machine broke down when they were doing their first pool this morning, so they had to take it back to the yard to get worked on. So I will probably get mine done tomorrow now. I'm just waiting to find out if it's going to be the first job in the morning or in the afternoon. So that sucks. I had it all ready to go, but that's what happens. So we'll see what happens tomorrow.
The next morning.
Okay, today is Thursday, and they've showed up to do the Pebble Sheen coating. They're just now looking around at putting tape up, getting their equipment out, taking pictures, and looking at all the mosaics they have to go around. And they got their truck out here. And they got their equipment in the front yard getting out. Cool. Hydro flow. So yeah, they're getting ready to go on it. Cool. Getting all their equipment set up. That's cool. Getting all the equipment set up. Looks like they're getting ready to start pretty soon. Yeah, it's a lot of prep work for sure. Get this finished. Got some cool looking boots there with the spikes so they don't sink into the Pebble Sheen mortar. Well, they have come and gone. They got here around 9 o'clock and it's 1, so it took them about 5 hours to do this. It looks really nice, even though tomorrow they're going to come and acid wash it. And that's going to take all the glaze off it, and it's really going to stand out, the mosaics and the blue surf. But wow, what a difference. It's going to look really nice when you got water in there shimmering. Yeah, those guys are some hard workers, I tell you. My goodness. It's hard to realize how much work this is. And they are really good at what they do. Cleaned up the mess and everything. So that's sweet. But yeah, looking good. So tomorrow I will film them doing the acid wash and the startup. But yeah, I am really happy. Those mosaics look so much different when they're in the Pebble Sheen, not just sitting on that cement. But yeah, that's sweet. The stairs look good too. All right, that's it for this one.